Welcome to Sweet Sorcery. Today we're going to be making apple crumble, made with sweet juicy apples and a crunchy oat topping. Serve it up with your favourite creamy vanilla ice cream for that perfect winter dessert. It'll take approximately 15 minutes to prepare, and this recipe serves 6 to 8 people. You can find the written recipe on our website, sweet-sorcery.com. There is a link in the description box below. Gather together your ingredients so you can follow along with me. We'd start by peeling 4 to 6 green Granny Smith apples. My apples are slightly on the smaller side, so I'll be using 6 apples. Next, we want to core the apples. The easiest way is to chop around the core like this. Make sure to cut out any seeds if you happen to cut close to the core. Pop the apple chunks into a medium to large saucepan. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, depending on how sweet you would like it. Pour in 1/3 cup of water and let that sit covered over a low to medium heat to stew. There is no need to keep stirring, the apples will soften up nicely on their own. What we're looking for here is the apples to look clear like this. Next, in a large casserole dish, pour the stewed apples in, then spread out evenly. Pop the lid on and set it to the side while we make our crumble. In a large bowl, add the plain flour, coconut, rolled oats, sugar, and butter. Using your fingertips, rub the butter into the dry ingredients until the mixture looks like breadcrumbs. Make sure the mixture is evenly mixed through before pouring the crumble on top of the apples. Spread it out evenly using a fork. Bake that off at 180 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. Apple crumble is best served hot with a scoop of your favourite creamy vanilla ice cream or with a dollop of custard. So how'd you go? Why not share your magical creation using the links in the description box or leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.